Welcome to English Core Conversation. Today, we are going to master Gym English using the shadowing technique. Think of this session as a workout for your fluency. I'll speak slowly and clearly, then pause so you can repeat after me. Just like physical training, your speaking muscles grow stronger with every repetition. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on your rhythm, your breathing, and your progress. We have over 50+ sentences to cover, so let's grab our water bottles and start the first set. Let's begin. Part 1. Arrival and check-in. Good morning. I am here for my workout. I need to scan my membership card at the front desk. Is the gym very crowded this morning? Where can I find a clean locker to put my bag? I'll put my phone and keys in the locker. I make sure to lace up my sneakers tightly. I grab a fresh towel and my water bottle. I am ready to start my session with energy. Part 2. The warm-up phase. I start with 5 minutes on the treadmill. I set the speed to a brisk walking pace. I feel my heart rate starting to increase. Now, I will do some dynamic stretching. I rotate my shoulders and swing my arms. I do 10 body weight squats to warm up my legs. It is important to prepare my muscles for the lift. I feel my body getting warmer and more flexible. Part 3. Weightlifting and technique. Today is upper body day on my schedule. I am looking for the adjustable bench. Excuse me, are you using these dumbbells? I'll start with a light weight for my first set. I focus on my form and keep my back straight. I breathe out slowly as I lift the weight. I feel the tension in my chest and shoulders. I do 12 repetitions for 3 sets. I take a 60-second rest between each set. I track my progress in my fitness app. Part 4. Social Interactions and Etiquette. Can I work in with you on this machine? Thank you. I will do my set while you rest. Could you give me a spot on this heavy lift? Just watch my form and help if I get stuck. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Is anyone using this cable machine? I always wipe down the equipment after use. I put the weights back on the rack when I'm done. It is important to be polite to other members. Part 5. Functional Training and Cardio. I'm moving to the functional area for some core work. I'll do 3 sets of planks for 1 minute each. I use a kettlebell for some explosive swings. My heart is beating fast and I am sweating. I'll finish the workout with high-intensity intervals. I sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for 30. Discipline is doing what needs to be done. I am pushing myself to get stronger every day. Part 6. The cool down and recovery. I slow down my pace to let my heart rate drop. I perform some static stretches for my hamstrings. I hold each stretch for 20 seconds. Stretching helps prevent muscle soreness tomorrow. I drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. I think about what I accomplished today. My body feels tired, but my mind feels great. A healthy body leads to a happy life. Part 7. Post-workout reflection. I head back to the locker room to freshen up. I'll have a protein shake to help my muscles recover. I check my schedule for my next gym session. Consistency is the secret to seeing results. I am proud of the effort I put in today.
I feel more confident every time I train. My fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. I am grateful for what my body can do.
You did an incredible job today. Just like a physical workout, you just pushed your speaking skills to the next level. You've practiced the language of fitness, discipline, and social etiquette. Remember, fluency is just like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it becomes. Don't let the momentum stop here. Take these sentences with you into your daily life. Every repetition brings you closer to total confidence. I am proud of your effort today. Keep training, keep speaking, and I'll see you in our next session. Workout complete.